It's the polar vortex. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am in the 2002 Saab 93 convertible. If you haven't been on the channel before, this car I rebuilt about 4 years ago, and if you have been on the channel, thanks for coming back and watching this. Today all I wanted to do was tell you the #1 thing that I hate most about this car. I know if you've watched this channel before, I'm very biased and love Saabs, but there are some things that I certainly don't like, and the one thing that I don't like on this car is the way they engineered the steering. When they talk Saab quirkiness, the quirkiest thing about this 2002 Saab 93 convertible is the steering. The steering rack, the way it's set up and engineered, is on the back wall, firewall of the engine bay, with the tie rods, inner and outer tie rod ends just shooting straight out to the sides of the car. It is probably the most insecure functionality I've ever seen on a car, if that's a way I can even explain it to you. There's no support really for the steering rack and the tie rods. It's just kind of floating in air. So therefore, right now I'm obviously driving with no hands on the wheel, and the car's got a good alignment, so it's going straight. But on a road that might be slanted or might have a specific bump in the road, the car just goes straight for that curve, and you know, it's kind of annoying. I mean, if you don't pay attention, if you're not paying attention, or you just kind of want to relax, I mean, and you're on a steep incline or on a side road that's like tilted to the side, you got to sit there and hold the steering wheel, you know, and pull it to the left to keep the car going straight. I mean, it's pretty intense. It's pretty intense. You know, I know there's some features, some things that you can buy from genuine Saab. If you guys have purchased those things, leave your comments below. I'm interested in buying those. Again, this is not my personal daily, this is my wife's car, but I do drive it a decent amount, as you've seen in the channel, and I obviously enjoy it. So if I can fix this problem, I will. Now, I just explained to you the engineering and why I hate the steering on this car, but on the same coin, it's kind of a nice thing. It's the last generation of cars where it's kind of man and machine. I know somebody who's older than me is gonna laugh at that, because they're gonna talk about how they used to be driving a car with no power steering. But in today's world, power steering is all electric, so you don't feel the road at all anymore. The car is just completely numb to the environment. For this car, you know, at least you have some sort of feel. In fact, you have 100% of the feel of the road. I mean, every little nook and cranny of the road is felt through the steering wheel and the performance of this car. So it is a positive if you are, you know, into the driver feel, which I am. So, but you know, as a daily, I kind of like on the 9.5s, and obviously most modern cars today, you don't have that feel. Which, if you're driving a luxury car, you're kind of seeking those things anyways. Where in this, it's kind of a sports car convertible. Yes, it is. Okay, so that's the #1 thing I hate about my Saab. If you guys have any input or comments, please drop them below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you might as well smash that subscribe button, because we have some amazing plans for my channel. And if you've been following me along from the beginning, I always appreciate your guys' support. So thank you, and I will see you next time.